everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Nordic St. warmer. This is a part of our holiday collection for limited time. When I'm recording this, it is still available. However, nothing is promised. With these limited time warmers, fragrances, products, nothing is guaranteed. They're only available while supplies last, but this is super cute. So I really wanted to unbox this and share it with you guys. So this is available, like I said, currently for $40. So if you have someone in your life who may really enjoy this, or if you yourself will enjoy this, don't wait. Because I feel like I'm surprised that this actually hasn't sold out yet. This is a little lid here. Now this is an element warmer. So this is what the lid looks like. To the hat. Look at all the cute little reindeer and snowflakes and Christmas trees. So cute. Love that. And we've got good packaging here. And then down at the bottom, we have the rest of his face. Okay. And I won't need to plug this in because this is an element warmer, which means there is no light bulb. So you don't ever have to worry about replacing the light bulb in this. This is the dish. The dish does not come off. This is all one singular piece. And you can see his sweet little face here. On the back, you will find a little red light. That indicator light, when it's turned on, it means your warmer is on. When it's turned off, it means your warmer is off. So you have this really pretty glazed finish and the matte porous finish for his skin, which is awesome. The inside of the dish itself is glazed. And this is what he looks like. How sweet is this? I think this is absolutely adorable. How is this not sold out yet? Beyond me. I don't know. Super, super cute. This is available while supplies last for $40. This is a perfect addition to your holiday decor. Let's find out the most important thing here. How many watts is this? I'm going to guess 8. This is an 8-watt element warmer. So inside of this warmer, there's a little heating element that's right underneath this dish that's attached. So that heating element, when it's turned on, is going to start to heat up. You will put your cubes right inside of here, and then your cubes are going to melt down as this heats up and release the fragrance. Now, as you saw, this has a lid to it. There are these little hole cutouts. That's what's going to release the fragrance. So you don't have to worry about that. What I will say, this is an 8-watt warmer. This has a lid to it. Is it going to be a crazy thrower? It's not going to be totally honest. But this is so cute, and you can always take the lid off if you feel like you really want to have like the maximum amount of throw. But this dish is nice and small, so I feel like with the smaller element warmers, as long as the dish is small, I feel like it does pretty well. So we'll see how this does. Let me know if you have picked this up for yourself. This is absolutely adorable. So as I mentioned before, $40, available while supplies last. So, so cute. This is Nordic St. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to share this guy with you. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.